In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in GoDaddy Website Builder. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along with a fresh browser window. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. This is a simple way to get to the right place quickly, especially if you don't have the site bookmarked or you're on a new device. In the Google search bar, type GoDaddy. You're looking for the official GoDaddy website in the results. Click the official link to open the site and then sign in to your account using your usual login. Make sure you're signing in to the account that owns the website you want to edit, so everything you need appears in your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It might show your initials or a small avatar. Click that to open the account menu. From the drop-down, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything tied to your account, including your websites. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the Website Builder editor. Give it a moment to load. You should see your site layout with sections stacked vertically, along with editing controls. Now we're going to add a new section for your form. Hover your mouse near where you want the form to appear on the page until you see a plus icon. Click the plus icon, then choose Add Section. This is how you place pre-built blocks, like forms, exactly where you want them. A panel will open with a search bar. In that search bar, type Forms. This filters the available sections down to the form-related options, so you don't have to scroll through everything. You'll see choices such as Contact Us and Job Posting Forms. Contact forms are great for general inquiries, while job posting forms help collect applicant details in a structured way. Pick the style that matches your goal for this page. For this walkthrough, select the option labeled Display Contact Info, Form, Hours. This section combines three useful elements in one: your contact details so visitors know how to reach you, a built-in form so they can send messages directly, and your business hours to set clear expectations. Clicking this option adds it to your page in the spot you chose earlier. From here, you'll see the new section in your layout, ready for you to adjust text, placement, and styling to match your brand. And that's it. Starting from Google all the way to placing a fully featured contact form section in GoDaddy Website Builder.